Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating the Samsung model and Android build. This matters because some launchers need Android 10 Plus. Once done, backup contacts and photos to cloud or PC so you can revert if needed. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging to allow file transfers and installer tools. Then install a trusted file manager and the iOS-style launcher APKs you downloaded. Make sure battery is above 50%. This prevents interruptions and explains why you prepared storage and backup first. You now sideload the launcher and icon pack. Accept unknown sources only for the installer app because Android blocks unknown APKs by default. Once installed, apply the iOS icon pack and set the home grid to 4:6 to mimic spacing. This changes how apps align. Then enable gesture navigation and assign the launcher and keyboard as defaults in settings. Also add iOS-style widgets and configure Control Center shortcuts. This sequence recreates iOS workflows while you finish by customizing lock screen, notifications, and Control Center toggles so behavior matches expectations. Then test core functions, calls, SMS, camera, and app permissions. Adjust privacy and battery optimization so background apps run. If launcher icons misalign or widgets fail, clear the launcher cache and data, then reinstall the APKs. You should restore your backup if something breaks. As a last resort only, factory reset the device. This resets permissions and removes conflicts, which explains why backups were essential at the start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.